TC network Seigilkhomna vezausi ama sapinin chibai kahin bolove keimin ahile thinthang hokib tuni khwa TC network Seigilkhomna in kyo piding uchu pu WR Hangsing Kuki People Alliance General Secretary amato chomcha Seigilkhomna in nei diu heti chu ama sapina het sa na kahin nei hintin tuni khwa topiga in mandingu chahile arbitrary arrest of Kuki leaders by CBI and NIA kitin chalaya hi Selective ta Kuki leaders so arrest Ibol na law na pin hi ama hi pizinam tile government noya chief secretary change ani tu sa hi jin ama to chomcha Seigilkhomna hin nei diu hintin ama in chi CBI la NIA function ho jang hoita mi pila hilchinan nei kit lai di heti chu ama sapina het sa na ka hin nei hintin tu ni khwa hi in ke holim na ding wa hi KPA chungchang jang KPA hi emila Kuki People Alliance political party tu le tu MLA in nei sunan MLA ni jang in nei win cho chungchang jang Seigilkhomna in nei diu heti chu ama sapina het sa na ka hin nei hi ye ki pau me sar na phat manlou ta TC na okte nei pi zalovin
ki pau me thank you
iga vevina hile sir Indian hi law dungzu ya iga velle equality before the law akitin tu kala hi iga vikit uvina hile ho hi monane lowa selective ta FIR ki bolkhum ai lo ki man hi ihung tam thim ta win Meilhei te la chu iga vevina hile korung ngan ba ki tipa arambai tingol leader pa ho jong chu am pumin awa le jing in amho khola man the hi win hi chi selective hi equality nam ti hi ama sapina nami pi te anga hil chinanan bor thei diam sir
equality wants to help our here. We have victimized Ibol. More they are the custodian of the law. More decide about the police or because we are fighting not only against another community but against the government of Manipur. Government of Manipur in midang dana Ibol, gamia bola Ibol. Illegal migrant ay koy biham ise kumo jongju without any substantiated evidence ita hu propaganda hu Ibol kumo here mon law legal authority to law and order authority use mo khuna ma here anop no Ibol kumo here chahe hoyong kitu zana we always have the right to appeal to the higher courts. Yeah, that is a long process. But apet pe na dinga he hono FIR ho Ibolu ha bola Ibolu CM parking yong ko huron FIR bol ku voice recording ayo. That is also very impactful. Tengle korungan ba iti ho tengle David take thatpa tengle adang amon awal now yung tamta omen tin chiong chu FIR Ibol nam Ibol nam yung sula ken detail ke Ibol dingwin kahen chu enforceable na diwa chu civil society group ho hile ko hile MLA ho hile so highlight Ibol so finally the law will go around and the chicken will come back to roost. They will have to answer for it. But because we have the faith that everybody is equal before the law,
Chichu hile sir vatiga ki sei behan lang hile CBI le NIA hi center elo le Ministry of Home Affairs elo center no ya pat hung hitalham ele amo ki sanin ho Manipur ki ka hi selective ta ho lang aki kai do jing theya am ho lang aki man hi aki henai hin na chitabang hung mo hi EPT center ki sanin Ibola hi changya si nei lang nei na anei theyam to anang sei chu hi ya hila Manipur government no ya Manipur government perspective hi na to achu ke mudana hi NIA CBI hi direct center agency talham tiang explain nan hil chen ve ki thein lai di ham
CBI NIA ho hi ta so they are supposed to be independent investigative bodies hi wa ya it has to case la khon na ju a political authority prime minister pan point about to no na ma bolo ya akoi hitele congress he hat la hitele to BJP hat la le ruling government in amo hu mancha khut la ya ne yo hin isu he sao hin IPP tu yong le de hilanga tu to ho ikina na lo ikina na state government Meilhei government hin as he has the Meilhei Delhi he eho version to say thing he hi chahe weakness all the opinion in Delhi is formed by the Manipur government in form the Opathola is a government version is a formal version dana hokila in here equal le Meilhei version and his chahu weakness kar ini even ji I law de ham yong he upay umke ni so Delhi you say the umpo the weakness we have to face it and we have to keep on fighting hold our ground in spite of all these disadvantages that's all monitoring so we are not fighting or not only Meitei, we are fighting a state government only student voice bo ini he was in hard zaza and koivin so we should lunghal hela ta ipan pan divin want to in the pome ho
to do aban ni chebe kitin chlaya kan do benum chu ai ho hi data jong chu direct and collect ka ball point hi jong le laya ka muda na wang chu selective ta hi mi tampi akimantai gal ke patila pana hi mona nei lo jong tampi akimanin ga saidinga chu leima talanga student leader ho jong akimanin amo hi tuni changein anung thu imacha jang aki zapoin aban le amo hi kona boy pia ichan ge hi tam tiang ei mi ho la chun e ho mi pi la chun update jang om point tu ni chan gya NIA khuna ki man ho hi gel ha do nai lo hin na cho hung pot na thei dinga hi e ho society a political party in abal civil society organization hoin ichan gya panala ham tiang nan sei be ki theng lai dem sir
chiwanzu hapon chu political party ti le KPA bo hi ne KPA yong chu hi le MLA ni ne chu Delhi hi o inilo it's here open in Delhi to see thing umpo and ho party ni wang state level MLA hiwen MP khat be ni ki kini hen dang hele it all the January come me table long ik chuk the when to chi bowling yong ju umpo that is a disadvantage na IP chu yong le NIA on amat ho chu amat no hitan the law will take its own course evidence mi cha amlo on sa tho di is rule ho investigation NIA limited omen roju jail halan ten on ha tho the evidence le wang chu we will see
sir to into the abanani chebe kitin recently cooking peting over spokesperson pu thangmilen mate jang akimanin na ama hi e ho ga muding chun evidence ma cham pon ama jang hi NIA custody aume tivin aban le tule tua FIL ne dinga ki hol le Delhi KSO president Delhi KSO president pu PJK jang hi mading in om kinin ama jang hi ama ho kimat na thailo ding abai lampin elo le a lut so la do na thei ding hi NIA process hi hung sau je ham elo ipitia hitia hi e ho iki hen iki tan dan jing thei ham tiang nan sei be ki theng lai jam epijinam tile mai le te zo ki mana hi le phaya local jail dung elo le police station dunga ga seiding a chu phai dunga jela lu le hung pot pai theu win e ho hi NIA case hung hi jin chi choi hi le gohoti lang elo le mun chuma aum pha ne le chi amo e ho hi akum process hung lu ji hin na chi ki ka la hi tham khat nan sei be ki theng lai diam
chu ken yong ke hi hi no ne he ne chu hitan but the assessment chu hi le sei banga chu we don't have the voice we don't have the proceeding government power in Ibol. We all milham ngen here. We don't have the authority to go and meet the NIA officer looting. He only appointment la tu ngain as a right as a government authority kana loot he yong zu khatcha impo. Amo chu hi wa le minister yong central minister yong an MP yong ne MP ni dan when padong jo maharaj ki ne kolla jo mo o jo tho je yeng pon ga bol yong min yes sir ti yeng ho jo yong when that is a weakness ya chu tu khat mi khat ki mana yong la tu sei ding yong jum de lo mat lam yong ke lo to an say ho ju kaza phil phola social media a detail long ipi ham yong kelo ipi ya ki man han yong kelo si di apat ki pat na ji yong om the ju say di yong di say di ham yong the di again there is not in my hands
cái muda na vang chu piha central langa representative in nei lova hi zung le cái perspective ma ga saying chu MLA hin abal political party hin cho si one voice dingkhoma center koma complaint pi thei lom elo center koma hititin ni bol ve tia ki phinna pi thei lom chile verchan ge jang chu i thun zo lo hom ipijinam tile ten MLA jong in nei win abal political party hikinin tu de dia ki man choi le Kuki in pi Tingnopal district spokesperson e kit na line cho ki sana hi ipitia voice center chan hung zo lo ham tiang hi nan don bu thei di ham ka tin nang en sarpin chu direct an sarpin chu center in voice in ei pove ti choi jing in na sir tu hin chi choi hi ta le hi ti chun nga jing utin a ki he thim ta in tu in thu do aban ani che pai ki nutin laya kan do be kit nom chu tu le tu amin thang le popular government ki tin na portfolio ho jang a ki hom chai ke ta in cha hi BJP choi le BJP party tan party dang chu ga skip te ditin KPA te ni change ya chi popular government formation ading a he pan lo ham tiang nan sai the kit lai di ham
KPA he atila pana withdrawn they have already withdrawn support of the government in Imphal chi KPA hin he MLA ni bo hin adang si somla sagi chu he le BJP he win le khatcha hil independent hikinin yong independent hi wanga ju BJP official office bearer khada hikinin to gate ju BJP a koi the hin kya ju BJP hi dolwa ju BJP thuno ya umo hin mo in spite of that bona akito khomjing yun separate administration okhan in wang see now see ju hi cha ju united hi now omen ya hum ki pal na dikhat hai amo hu popular government iti tiangole what do you mean by popular it means majority form na dinga popular means at majority level but 31 be hung hi thein di 31 hi tengzule popular kiti 31 no is 60 popular majority jo 31 in 31 apha na di popular kiti ne popular government ti wang popular hita lu ham yong ke hete see very loose terminology in accept le social media dunga government Meilhei on we want popular government ti when popular ju unpopular ti zo ha danen ke hen I ju Meilhei of MLA kisim ting le somni kalyong hi jo di khat lang amo yong ke la so it cannot be a popular government it can be minority government. Popular is the wrong word to use. The minority government jo BJP in stitch up abol wa iti hama ye jo assembly who dissolve hilo la in suspension animation in BJP hi nadola jo hukum athayeng wa BJP whip athawa hele bona jo yeng hin mo internal dissension umdan akilan ye jo they have avoided the confidence motion jo Congress ten abol jo no confidence motion jo avoid mo dinga jo ichi tua suspended animation lang jo chi wa hele assembly chu hing na la ya ta chu hin wa nga chu government form bol thelo khana sunglanga decision zia chu it is an internal BJP matter chu chi is even KPA MLA ni yong they are not in BJP they are not consulted they are kinu yong lo government forming a form di wa hele MLA BJP langa gate ho chu hi gate ho chu MLA khat Meilhei khat on tunwa ma CM hin support bol wen tiwa conditional support bol you separate administration AP ta ka se wa support lo you ti khat hum tele mo chu expel ki bola disqualify yang the cha chu MLA ho so meeting khana yong gasi sa in MLA ho gate ho be chu hat na diwin MP khon o min CS ho ting le CSO ho to adang ground level body su group ho hitele EP hele moral support bolu hitin amo hu hard na diwin ultimatum memorandum resolution kelha hitin disqualify ki bolong le kat tingkit diu tingla din teng le uncontested na kaisa diu heti khat ko resolution kele hen nang le mo hong ha je tin hang je muin tin che ding ding se win tin ti lo le more disqualify diu disqualify things le election within 6 months kit ding amo 6 months ka yong ji ep dam MLA hi lo teng le teng le MLA election hong yong le e hola hi EPP lungel saulo ho boycott bowling yong hi ki nuin boycott ibol is the most useless move is holding on election boycott ibol wa le idin lo dio ya ding dim se da all Meilhei ba na go ho yong pangal ho yong ko yong EPP Nepal yong dim se na ho kamu pia yong it is not a reserve constituency sa ko Meilhei khat ding hen nang le achang se ding yong le kai di ta chu adang om lo wa le itamang chu hen boycott is the most most idiotic, stupid proposition umji enjoy ball say that boycott ki ho is MLA on next disqualify hi popole within 6 months election face ball li hunji a face ball liu chu amo dinga hil ha sa him ho ing ki chu thang ki diu ho ki to mano ding ji ji a sang jun tu hen ki ho to tin ibono amo chu hard na diu we will re-elect them uncontested ti khat ko resolution law hite BPO se gelu hiten to home hiten MLA because to government form bowling he koi mat kinum lo MLA ho kin hi bo that also within BJP party here BJP party se ma je ho mi sagi he wa mi gate jaw na lo ajo government a form yo lo is internal ago akina aji wa ho biren de lo ting khat de lo thumli ago khenu ya ajo mi som ho chu pan de lang ajo government ying ding da na ho ma aya ipan no wa hyong le thum ju chu separate administration here separate administration chu hite ponte ti wa unconditional and bond is out with the out da le disqualification feasible chu ihan diu chu we should take a resolution MLA ho hard sa take it easy because this is it's like a chess game sim ta bang chu move khat ball le ban na hong min hong kon hong hong tin chess ball dung ja se mon on ball diu so let us make a preempted move by declaring that our MLAs will be re-elected again within whenever election comes in. They will think twice. The government resolve balding, re-election balding, MLA balding, they will think twice. So strategy girls how I kasi banga jo chess ki pa move again sao pa jun gal jo game jo sta banga chu game hi sao ta agela aban chi ki bol chi te lung chom ta chu hi thelo chi le ki mo tom yo jo kan lo social media no bi si thang wa ni ma cha yong apha chom le yong lo lung chom ta thu se even if we have to join the government as a separate administration in AP on the condition iti ayong le aga aso hi pum ma jo e puilu no ala ga jo we have an advantage I khat chu
Queen sir to do ani chebe kitin chilaya enjoa nan seina chu thamkhat ga ki velehen e ho hi STA hi win abang le e ho ST constituency chu Meilhei te chu general hi ke duvin abale Nepali te chu SCA lo le OBC a kan hung ni diwin amo chun e hon MLA boycott I bol wale amo chun e ho consensus hung te thei diu ham tiang hi da om na lai na chi jang chu hil chen nan bol be thei na lai di ham
I had Kangbupi constituency who it is not a reserve constituency no it is an open constituency so anybody can stand Meilhei yong fileable thei, Nepali yong about thei. Anybody, Bihari khan yong about thei. Anybody from India can file an any person who has a vote in Manipur. Vote nei pasun cha chu give kaung pya who fileable thei. Mundang here reserve his only ST can file the nomination. ST chu hele nagawan fileable thei. Anybody, Khanlon hitata, Chandel hitata, Tadubi chil naga tho here. Amy to Jalwanga. Then le side two hingleb imusia who nagawan fileable. Charges high hingleb, for example, fileable diwal hingleba hungailo infala DC officer fileable. He'll become a candidate. Ihon la boycott Ibol wala ma declared elected hitata. Because if you have boycott it, meaning they will become our representative. You to hear to say hikina. The choose to MP Newa, MP cut Inewa, holding that Cheng Khatcha to Sangya say Lola. Say you must say Taylor. Is a Congress here, Manipur Congress here, Manipur Congress, Manipur dictator here. Say young Manipur can anything to say Taylor.
tuần thu độ
MLA som chu Naga hong Nepali Meilhei yong mai the ka ho pia ho is an open constituency cha ho Meilhei khat ding hen nang la ka ye yeng chu khat ding hen nang e ho din lo wa chu
tuần thu độ aban ani che be ketin laya mi pi tampin dau nei na chui pi ham tile tu le tua hi MLA hi ta tai lo le government hi boycott akibol lawai le e ho i movement pin hi separate administration hi chi to ding hi nam e lo le chi zom ke the ding hi nam to popular government ahung ki saya pa na hi e ho MLA e lo le e ho Minister Lui Ho Zong na satain cabinet minister dingin aki gongwin aki chuki tawe ti thu ho zong aki zazin na aki zazap zapjin ali so chui ga ve vini hile e ho chu desiam panmun ho ki san in pikit uvin cho hi koi ki chip nam e lo le ata ta e mi te e lo le e ho MLA ho chun popular government hi na support go hitam tiang hi tham khat nang mu da na ipijinam tila nang chu KPA representative na hin na ikhaw na ni KPA representative minai khaw onin hi zong le e mi ho zo si chu tha khatcha dingkhom na hi vin abang le movement separate administration movement jang hi a move ma sapin na hi ki no vin tu chung popular government hi the support go ham ai lo le pt ham tiang nan sei be ki thein lai di ham
KPA General Secretary ke wanga to ai ki hon ron hi as a Kuki individual ki ho danen ka gelen and tu kase I'm speaking on behalf of all the 10 MLAs. Government too is in MLA too ho say adang to say that MLA song he from the point of view of MLA song he say to you or MLA song on behalf of them I will express my opinion na so he MLA song he MLA he wa ho line la na umu to an say ho ministry portfolio ABP ho to social media dim se nin print media wang kamukha hi lai social media giti him wang he tula sim yong kasim lo hin to an se ho ju sim lo ye jun kan he ju sim yo za yong he pon group izadham ka group ho ka be na hele som nga lang hi su teng le individual la kasim dal za khat lang hi din pi hu kon sim yo za de most of them so repetition without substantiated evidence tu ki mo say to an say portfolio kisan job ngam ta chu isu iti how is it na ta san ham gati ai ma cha umlo la ya portfolio kisan ki hob chu na ta san ham chu ata hi dinga normal la ya government form hi ongle CM akil new thing le CM pan no ama it is the prerogative of the chief minister portfolio hob ding ho he to im jam lo la ya ho ki hob chai wa ibi biham ilungu teu gam ta ibi ilungu neu gam ta I think he takes an social media he sim da ta di utagati it is meaningless to ideal use hele MLA ho he tu sang ya wa khana ding ho hin portfolio kichi weti yong he khat nen se na dinga se yu hin amo ho I mean se sa election o ma le ke ka din ding ti lampang a ho doi lo yong he so ama dom ho yong hun ni chu se kin hin it's a bang yong so I mean we should not pay any weight to these kind of surmise, be conjecture or leave it. Entertainment dan thought na dan kalan serious na kalapo yati or.
To in todo aban ani chebe kitin chalaya chu print media ma chain aki mukhadi hin hizongle viral ami tampi ki hauna khana hijia chu kan do chin na hin ta pen het na dinga kan do na hin to in todo aban ani chebe pai kitin chalaya kan do nom chu tu le tua popular government adinga chief minister chief minister luipa biren mama chief minister post atu ki dingai tai hung ki ti ho hi nang ho political source apana chi ata ham ai lo le azo ham tiang nan sebe ki thein lai diam
Political source but as an intelligent guest, I think it is doubtful. Biren hangom kidding to hill BJP government ding as a suicidal move to Bangladesh. Yeah, Biren ho gal pando ima pando imusi as a supporter who come in Rambai Tingle who ama at Bangladesh. Ama those numbing a young ombe in Meilhei Lamkai who even ale is amo who extra constitutional, extra legal force ni tawin. Chahu hunamahu amahu asot yeng when amayong kinem thodi hin. Kinem su kinem te hin amal CM he is amahu he's not yet dismissed. He is just facing. He's still a caretaker minister danahu hin power ni lo wanga. So ambition wangs ani te hin. But I think there's no veracity in the social media thing. Ama hungdi heti khattu. Ama yong ama si se yong lo speaker pan yong sun try bolu. Abang le Delhi ko na hi sipasu koi ham chu ako we na kyo pi. Si hu sile speculation is rife in the social media. So hitai ilung thaloi ilung gyalu se do loi khat khan yong creative imaginative tai come detail on so without any substantive proof. But who then I don't read anymore. So honestly say I like a head double and it is also doubtful. BJP governor pa when governor pa two time administration two time analyze he's come here for a long haul till to achieve something hin somkhat hu bit na dimai maya hungwang he puni chu office yong chuljan pura kain angupi yang hung kain tingle thilbol who chief secretary hisayong hin administration head hin he is acting already like a chief secretary come chief minister and he's doing these things. Who even he's here for a long haul. Adang si he temkan mipi lepla na ding mipi lunglay na ding EPP process umnay tin ding kana ko but my calculation personally I do kagela halawang chu he will be there for 6 months and most probably another 6 months. So he kumkhat yole kibele itidiham. So we should be prepared with the governor's rule for another 10 months or 9.5 months at least, or 9 months at least. Corner rule we will not have a partisan government, Manipur government in among conflict, civil conflict partisan he wa gal hung panwa gal zao se selwa hung lamkai wa yes par ho tu wa bomei tha khumu so government arsenal hin tingle igal mi ho yong aram bai tingol sta da koi yong le government azao lo tingle hat yo lo hin isu mancha le mei chang ho yong ala na di ala akicho thu diu hin akicho thu diu yong su sumanga yen sumyong su economy ko infalai collapse hitan we just have to hold on. tila kasi mga chu game hin iho ding aju gal izo ngai lo draw here hold on here wale izo we should hold on, have faith in your own self, have faith in your own people, have faith in your unity. Ikito poi ti ho yong he amo yo he zela ki hang la ka ti so ko ha ma ki iho kala ki tu dinga ana ho ki tu wam Meilhei ki tu wam iho kala ki tu ding nam yum lo piu so kala la ni kama se le wa le ki tu lo poi ti lim sa da to jo lo ji iho kala ki tu ding yum lo piu so Emily ho yong meeting ni si le so ma so hung ji wa hung the lo yong le kin chum khat nat lak sat ani hom I bi pham aw na khat zia reason hun piwa ong tabangin kom piwa so ma la ding in meeting ka to teng le to hom teng le cs ho yo se Kuki p czo ko tu koi surjanpur langa aga cz ibita zc ho yo hong zao ni wen a chu to hom wai lungel se hom jing wen chikala ki to ding zo yum wam ki ho Kito mo na sei ho so da su kito mo na lungkim tu le ho kala kito dinga wa no yom hi we
to en to do ba che be pai kitin to abana ka do num chu tu ma sang jemin cso kjc kim bang le kenemle ho to e ho su group ho godin meeting na gane win ki muto na resolution penu chu pi ham iti ai le nong kin op to now chu pi ham iti ai le tok si ma zo si hi su khunin kapitai na ti win na a khutia hi le to chu nang hon I chan ge ki nep na na nei wa na su khuna na pi ui tam ai lo le amo hin I chan ge yan bol do di ham ichi way forward iti di ham chi separate administration I movement penu hi I chan ge yan bol do di ham tiang nan sei be ki thein lai di ham
su khuna kepeti yong so you have to see from the background na May 3rd masanga apana chu su talks anuma chu su talks anuma cha chu within Manipur autonomy ine diwa hai thu ki se hai achi chu tin nom jia birenen gal hun bol hai cha chu su talks chom khat chu kitanga resume hun bolo ai le cha chu delhi langin on do chu no to ikho he midang in support no hinam ti he ki ho kinwa ale talks also chil hangala point la chum la telo su talks say yong su tarik soma tarik ko ta som ta me soma separate administration declarable la su group ho yo se yong zawa cso ho yo se zawa mla ho yo se zawa separate administration ki bol khom ta ta chu process khat achi sa chu okay chu endorse bol hete koi chum koi pa yong hipo win su to ke ti wa le mi chum hung da zao ding da nyam di lo cha zao yo se lungel ki to khom yo se yong chu om sa chu omin ti chu chum be khat sim sang wo chun ti chu chi sa hin cha su to ka yong chu underground group use umbrella ni hi wa nga chu ni no ya chu khana som le li om win khana izad ham om win born underground ti yong zo hoi ni hoi armed defensive group he win amo underground he lo it is a misnomer amo yo se zao sa hin kito khoma chi sa khan o min teng le se yong zu separate administration hin ala chu ne se yo ala you se zom win adang se sin ne se jo kas resolution il ha dong ji chen ichi long piu chen ka support ne ti khan ki se sa chu ji May June langa chu endorse ki bola in writing a bona ki bol sa hin ale to aju chu withdraw bola chu khat tun do ching chu we have to start from the beginning again center in yong chun koi edat module chu koi to ke ho diu ma ti jing chu to ai khat nen ke yong chum wa ilao a hele what will happen to su talks ti wa chu ipi thu ham su talk sa chu separate administration chu koi chum ke se yong lai ji a kal chu ipi thu du ham chum khat hongwa chum khat body chum ma se wa ikho teng la isi ha diu chu su separate administration ni tho ding ala body here ji ipi ngai ham koi chum la ko kit lo e ho ma hiu meaningless jo ihe le le sa achi na sa khat ju chiang ju file long August June July 31st ju file kipelu ne ta ju it is pending with the Home Ministry for political decision now meta ju is jan ge ji pha ta ale to he chum khat team kina abula ki pat kit chu hiya ale phan liu ne be mi chu thil chom la bol lo de separate administration I tho ding a file la kholang a file lo chu idel ling da na hum kina ale a file submission sa chu ngan che hote ki tia ki se ji to we till thalo which to a su group or support ke bol heti it is akibol sa chu let us continue with it kiti ne chu it is not something new. It is a logical process. It's a logical conclusion of not only May 3rd till kepan lo May 3rd basanga pana kepan chu ke bol chu to a logical conclusion na umta chu a file Home Ministry ko ma umta tikala sei be ding yong chu umlo chu ko e yong le a chu khat se myo sei yong le a file umsa chu bo chu ya chu hiya hele to a ground situation a he on Ibol link pen chu let the file be there. They will have to nikhat chu hon tho di wa ma achum khat se muiten del yon le a file chu sa chu file chu de hi be ta file chu sa ya itu mu abone option yo se sa ya hi tu na achum khat thum ta te ki ti lawang chu okay we'll have another body di khat chu itu mu la khel lo ngai ya tu chu body chu bol te it is illogical also. Personal level, local tribal politics Ibol now. So I don't agree with it. And it is nothing personal. It is you have to look at a historical process. It is a continuation, a logical conclusion. The file is there, and we will keep supporting it. That file. Su talks support ke bol ne hello which file ju amsa ju ka support ne ke ti lai ji sei be ding om lo bi ju to ai
sal chalai chun dau khat omin na tu lai ta mi pi te ki ha ho na a ki ha ho lim theu win lai ka chi su group ho to center government MHA ke ka pin hi mi pi masangin white paper a ki mu poi ti hi a ha sei pinu hin na chi ki chalai file na submit pinu chu nangin namu nam nang hon na submit ham tiang nan sei be ki ten lai dem just for clarification
it is su talks so ke personally kaza on ding lampi yong lo ke chu MLA yong ke lo MP yong ke lo I don't hold any official level of any group ka MLA ho yong chu zao lo it is su talks here su ho chu ke ho at every step ma chu meeting ki nei jing chu chi bol tau de ke ti wa a file chu hi le Kapil Sibal and had frame a ball heti wants to can meeting wang chu ko ji hi but ko ma sang siu le wang chu ke ho to na wang chu jing in ji tai so I have no reason to disbelieve or discount what is there. What is there is the demand for separate administration in the form of a union territory with the legislature. The constitutional provision also me Kapil Sibal constitutional lawyer he's upon a step by step argument you say paper umsa this is what we want political reason umsa done in omen a file once again come up here and it is submitted and I have no reason to doubt what is there and what has been told to us. Meeting back room meeting so I believe it is there and it is there. I mean I have no reason not to believe it. And meeting as a personal level meeting as a Home Ministry and I'm gonna say it is beyond our hands now. It is a political decision has to be taken. Technical everything is on file. This viability, the maps ding dan so everything is there in the file. But a political decision is pending. Political decisions you can allow Amit Shah to Modi his amani tailo a politician lading umpon. Amani chun aladi hin amani chun on what basis they are going to take or ama test able ham ama he dingzo di hunam chom khat kino chen kin hung name the diu ham chance of it ham ki khat huin to ground I had or why didn't I had the choice yong in epo when you know nam khat in the dollar choice dang yong in epo when it didn't munwa didn't diu kasi banga to the last man ding he mentally prepared he win kayong kahi ibonwa he win to the last man chiwang he chance ila su wale aban wang to ponti ti khari hesu kayo ta chu idin po wale wang chu nikhat wang chu imute te di win nim na kinip na o min keno personally akani
tu hin thu do aban ni chi be pai kitin chalai chun nangin argument na pi pin chu disbelief na ding ompoi na tin abana thu do kan do benum chu inzo chun mla ho chung chang pha je movin tu le tua akiha hung hang sap pin hi iga ve vin hi le chi ji hin jong boina hung do so in number 1 public movement na kitin chi public movement plus civil disobedient movement lo le civil disobedient movement pen hi lawa hi le ai mi te hin itin jang ese ilung tu mu ki mu ponte ki ti ho jang thu chang ahung do le jin chlai ki hon ho hin ka ha jaw thowin cho chung chang hi mla hon ban asidu adal angam lo wa ai lo le government service on hititia civil disobedient movement ibolwa Meilhei te to iki kang se jingwa center apana LG lieutenant governor ha khat insol pi lo ta kovin elo le chief secretary adang dang ahung to lo ta ken chi way forward thei ponte ki ti ho jang ki ha mul he na chilai ka hi nang in EPT chi hin sei ho chi tabang lunggel hin pu ho chu EPT na counter thei diam elo le EPT ne hil chin thei diam tiang nan don pai ki thei diam
is a civil disobedience movement non cooperation movement is adita so can tilapana kan say sa so I mean I would like to take the credit for planting the seeds of this idea I support to ayawa kasi banga so Amit Shah to Modi ko na hin amani hin yes Ibol dana kum ke namo ding zo di nam so he like ground level he comfort issue sa ole wang chu amani chu mo wang he as upai dang am to poi ti khat hon gel na thedi wa chu civil disobedience movement kat wang chu angayen isu kase chu he la Birien government he lai chu Birien government wang chu very partisan government in government Meilhei government in amat athil bolu si chu anti Kuki pro Meilhei to the extent of using the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and using the arsenal at the disposal of the state government, like the mortar kikap or things like bulletproof, Casper or commando or chalai. That is that is how the Birien government was. And the governor who state government wang he among tapo. IP only, we still have a ground in administration, recruitment hile, education system ho, permit it ho. For example, school ho affiliation to central board CBSC affiliation thing I ball ho refuse a ball. Amo no ya ikoi no mo ikoi tiang le imita yung facility yung Ibol lo so that administration hosen ho chu tusan wa ne wa ga he lai dan hun kehen cha chu we still justify governor rule he yung le I think we still have a ground in justification to go against the government of Manipur as long as it is a government of Imphal, government of Manipur. We have no future with this movement. On that ground, civil non-cooperation movement with the government of Imphal, government, and then civil disobedience against any representative of government of Manipur. He harwang ho bolle again to Amit Shah to Modi Chandia Hunging Ham political decision how to force them to make that political decision. So Indian independence movement young PP violence or PP so anom but Bigistan anga chat lil pen or thought lil pen civil disobedience or non-cooperation movement to him. And then of course economically Swadeshi movement to him. Meilhei Tilpopo British Tilhopo so cholo ding a pony on chopilo ding a hal people. Swadeshi movement in this is a kind of movement against anything to do with Manipur in the form of civil disobedience, in the forms of non-cooperation movement with the government of Manipur, in the form of economic non-cooperation. Political sound hai Amit Shah to Modi Changyal Hungham Tikharwan Kidip Nakane. Personally I endorse this proposal. In fact, I'm the one who has initiated this idea from the beginning.
Tuhin ake say mabongin chi public movement or civil disobedience movement hoy ahung ki ha sei len tuhin tu do a chaina langani manota tin a chaina dinga ka do nom chu KPA general secretary hi na dola tule tuhin ga ki sei le chi suppression dei hi velni inimang tawin kumthum hungthin na zong ahung hi tain kumthum ho zong hung wa do tain chicho hiya hile tuni changya hi iga ve vina hile mi pi hi chi separate administration langa hin al hadai le tain a chaina dinga kan do pin nom chu chi mi pi hi masanglai ta banga lamkai ata san thei wa lamkai a kinep na anei thei na dingwa nangin ipiti pan la thei diam ai lo le nangin ipilam panga motivate na bor thei diam ti a chaina dinga nin sei pi thei diam sir.
Personally, I don't know, I have no such personal ambitions. But Lamkai chu Israel dia tabang chun tomhat chu leng ane nei po win. Azu gal chu ball win. Tao win leng pa pe win ti wala sol leng pa hun sol han patil to lel penu tat sol leng pa hun sol win. Tabang bet chu hi diu ham. Ai pi chu yong le atum in reason and till Ibol even ni wala chum tabang hun omen, but at the end lunggel hu kitota and it's a lot tabang omen Delhi akuna even na hele golhan say when you're so well coordinated 80 win, how do you coordinate Lamkai khat lunggel dana hun with it's a lot when mipi here think the reason you hit tabang he Churizan pul lang kamupi lang thing le mori lang hu hin thum hi wangin the longia lu kitu chenin the chat lo weti khatu me all officer ho thing le politician ho ke hopi ho have you so well coordinated and united ti khatu any piti sun chat lo bol yong la hin ibi khom gati iger gelo wa tau sol leng pa ta bang khan him sol la pi him tun pi sang wa chi so we are doing well right now as we are, and always there will be some he now angaina we are very individualistic people. Lamkai yong he di si wang win Lamkai de yong yumpo win dem ding be mo kun Ibol win ipichu te yong le I think Lamkai yong he khat yong he angai be se in tulai democracy it is always better to have elected representative and for some time it is out of our dreams. We will not have it also. Lamkai so part of win hunki sep donan in me even patinin hoising now angai mong le khatchu hunki sep sama in a natural process hunki sep do tunan tekati. But as of the moment midang vet dinga hu he Lamkai khatanin with a single-minded purpose in the whole, all the okay, any you say with single-minded, nahi the hui itna hum. They admire us. Gal laita, gal ho laita yang so maybe on kangwai ateng wa le kitho wen mun yo sia dung dung iti wa le alung wa yeng wen. They are so well coordinated khat lung with single mind ah hu cha lo ta mang ko men. Yang hi tho wen. Ye ju ka sei banga ju yo ta mga lung yal ki tu ling om poi ka ti so. Tin chi chi yong le wen. Lam kai hong ngai ta yong le som hong ki sep do nan bi ka ti ke wa.
Kipa le zingin na phat manluta tc network ten ap zalovin tuni kwa tc network Seigilkhomna in ke hopiu pu wr hangsing Kuki people alliance political party general secretary amato in ke holim now topic cho hile arbitrary arrest of Kuki leaders by CBI and NIA kitin che topic mongcha ihung ke holim now hi chanchu hi tantin he tc network Seigilkhomna bezausi avelin chungchewa ke pa thu kahin se